So around 2, it's already 7:20. We only have like 20 minutes of fishing again. Head to the back now. Just got off of work late, so let's go another 20 minutes. We're fishing like 20 minutes from my house, so hopefully we don't get stuck. We're like all the way on the other side. I'm already in here anyway. Go back. We made quite a mess, so hopefully we can make it back. Guys, see that? It's about to get dark. Oh, let's do it. Ahí, mijo. Cut this little bass. Cut this bass. We're gonna do some catch and release right now. Mama. Fish. Oh snap, let's see what he got. He caught a catfish. Yeah, caught a little catfish. Let me see. Turn on. Right there. Caught my little bass in 20 minutes. And this is caught himself a catfish. This is a beautiful lake. It's in a construction area close to my house. Oh, by the way, guys, I know that I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately. And that's because a lot has changed over the year. My brother moved out. He got married and he moved to Alvin. He bought a 2-story house over there. And I moved out of town too. I live about an hour and a half from Houston. And I've been super busy at the new house. Just building stuff, you know, adapting to pretty much the country. I love this so far, you know, so I hadn't been really coming fishing. This is a new lake that we found a couple of months ago, and I haven't had time to fish the whole day there. As y'all can see, it's a beautiful place. It looks amazing, but it is a construction site, and during the day, there's always people working there. They don't let us fish there, so I kind of come after hours. I believe there's a lot of fish out here. We just haven't had enough time. But I will be back, and I'm gonna come with the whole crew, trying to catch some bass and trying to see what's out here, man. We already caught some catfish, some bass, and maybe there's some carp out here or some gar. Anyway, I'll be posting a few videos after this one of where I moved into. It's some land, and we're gonna be building a small pond. I have a couple animals, but other than that, you know, it's been good. Life been good, and I will start reposting videos again. I live about 25 minutes from Crystal Beach, so we'll be going out there this season for the Reds. And I'm close to Anahuac, about 20 minutes from there. So we'll definitely be going out there this year. Now, only because we haven't posted on doesn't mean that we haven't gone fishing. We have been going fishing, but we don't be really posting videos lately, you know. Just spending time with the family, you know, getting everything situated, everything ready. But yeah, I'll be posting a little recap video of what we'll be doing through the last year. This is the entrance actually of our neighborhood. As you can see, I really moved from the city to the country, huh? But I am loving this new lifestyle. Y'all stay tuned for this upcoming video. God bless.